Authorities in Jacksonville have apprehended 3 individuals linked to the fatal shooting of rapper Charles Jones II, known professionally as Foolio. The incident occurred on June 23rd in the early morning hours at a Tampa hotel parking lot. Foolio was celebrating his 26th birthday at the time of the shooting. According to Tampa Police Chief Lee Burkaw, the rapper had shared his location on social media multiple times that evening, making him a target for the suspects. Surveillance footage indicates the assailants tracked Foolio's movements before the fatal ambush. 3 individuals, Sean Gathright, Alicia Andrews, and Isaiah Chance Jr., have been arrested by the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office on first-degree murder charges. Warrants have been issued for 2 additional suspects, Davion Murphy and Rashard Murphy, who are also facing first-degree murder charges. Chief Burkaw stated that the assailants, Gathright, Davion Murphy, and Rashard Murphy, are affiliated with or members of the ATK and 1200 gangs, which are rival groups of Foolio's 6-block gang. The coordinated attack suggests a premeditated act of violence between rival factions. Hillsborough County State Attorney Susie Lopez emphasized the gravity of the crime, stating, "The planning of Foolio's death was truly alarming." She issued a stern warning to the involved parties, declaring, "Let me be clear, the feud stops here." Jacksonville Sheriff T.K. Waters confirmed that while there is currently no active investigation into rapper Youngeen Ace, the leader of the ATK gang, his movements within Jacksonville are closely monitored.